Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Gobari Magazine Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another secret websites in which each and every week we talk about the amazing websites where you can sell your work online and can make money online. So in today's video, I'm going to be covering another secret website. So let's dive in with today's video. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. So we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money, right? So much more. It's 100% free, so subscribe to it. The link is in the description box below. Let's talk about the secret websites and how you can sell your work and how you can make money by that. The various things about the commission. Artweb.com, welcome to the Artweb. 55,468 artists. Your topics of this week artist sign up. So this is the very first page of the homepage where you let on the Artweb. It's written build your artist websites with Artweb, your own independent artist website and your work showcase on Artweb. So you can build your own artist website in this platform and can showcase your work on artweb.com and see the recent activity from the other artists who are selling their work already on the Artweb. So let's talk about the About Us section. First, artists promote their work online. Meet the people behind Artweb. Chris Collins, founder and CEO. Founder Chris is issued at his own in some circles for headstand hobby. Chris taught himself to code and also taught himself the guitar. Thankfully, his coding is very professional, like his guitaring playing. I'm as a community manager. It's Rihanna Beza, and all these three people are managing this. And let's talk about their story, how they get started with the Artweb, and how long it took, like how many years this website is all. Our story of Artweb actually begins with the story of artist web back in the Brighton in 2005. So it started back in 2005. It's a pretty old website. After designing websites for a number of artist friends, our founder Chris Collett came up with the concept of the artist web, an easy and affordable way for artists to create and manage their own website. After speaking, emailing, and even cold calling a number of local artists, Chris realized he was onto something. He soon teamed up with co-founder Phil Helson. In spring 2006, our company, The Artist Web Limited, was born. In 2005 and 2006, they finally started with this particular project and how the different things work, and you can see much more about it. When you see or go to the website, you'll go to see for art, different kinds of art you can sell. There's a ceramic, design, digital art, drawings, embroidery, acoustic. So these are the different kinds of work that you can sell, and there is a lot more section regarding particularly selling your work as an artist on this particular platform. So kind of like a marketplace. So for all those of you guys who are looking for selling your work on a marketplace, that this could be an amazing opportunity for you, the Artweb. Let's talk about how you're gonna sell your work. So for the artist, you could register, sell your artwork, create your artist website, the artist newsletter, pro membership pricing. So when I just led over to the page that sell your art online with Artweb, join 55,468 independent artists using artweb.com to promote and sell their art online. So 55,000 plus people are selling their work on this website. Are you an artist who want to make a living selling your art online? Find out for yourself how easy it is to build a beautiful website from scratch using a web builder and sell art online for free. Reach a worldwide audience of art buyers so you can stop wasting time with this and spend it on creating art instead. It's easy, it's fun, and you can try it now for free, and we charge no commission. So that's pretty amazing. They charge no commission and it's free to get started. That start free now. I have there is a good testimonial from Leila Altman. She's saying, I have sold many pieces through our web and have received only positive, often glowing feedback from my buyers. Here's what joining Artweb today will do for you. Free website builder. So you're gonna get a free website builder. Check out our gorgeous templates and fully customizable website builder that lets you create the gallery that fits your unique style and taste. Artist community. Artweb and community of artists already using our service provide you with tips, support, and help on everything you need to sell your artwork online. Make use of the community's experience and knowledge. Sell your artwork now. It just takes a few minutes to upload your image and set up your personal gallery. No commission. We don't charge you any commission for selling your artwork. That's amazing. They do it no commission. Your new website with personal gallery, your own domain. Get your own domain with Artweb or use a domain name you already have. It has never been so easy to make your art look fantastic. Give it a try. Google optimize for Google and other popular search engine. Ensure your artwork is found by search engine. Sell online, easy credit card integration for online sales. Use all analytics, see who's been looking at your artwork, daily breakdown or visit to your shop, to your profile and individual artwork. Start free now, and there's a bunch of the different. Now, how you gonna build it? Let's talk about detail about building the website or what it looks like and all. Build a professional website that will sell your art for you. Ask yourself the following question: do you have ever, if you have make money to keep on working as an artist? So these are the several questions you could ask. And if the answer is yes, then here's a perfect solution for you. Let's be honest, it's hard to find buyers. Selling your art can be frustrating. You want to create art, not sell yourself. But if you don't sell your artwork, you're not even sure if you can afford to keep doing what you love most, creating art. Galleries can be such a pain to deal with. It takes you ages to find a good gallery in your area that actually matches your artistic style, and when you pick up the phone and call them, they act like they own the walls and boss you around, or they have such high expectation that they aren't interested at all. And even if you manage to get your artwork exhibited, galleries charge a high commission, so that if you do sell your work, there's hardly anybody left for you. That's pretty right that galleries take a very high cut from whatever you are making from this website. It's best to actually go with the website which are taking less commission or no. While the good news is that with an Artweb website, you can quickly take control of selling your artwork, sell your work directly to buyers with no commission or middleware. So don't lose your out. You need your own personal artist website. Control your brand. Be first on Google. Sell while you slave. Sell art international. Go to the button. Start free now. You needed to add your name, email, password, domain. If you have a domain, or if you don't have a domain, you can use the subdomain that is your own domain name .artweb.com. So you need to enter that, and then you need to check the policy, and then you need to register that. So that is all about registering on that. Let's talk about, do you actually need any money? Because I see that you need to create your own artist website. So how are you going to do that? They have website builder. Look at that as a pro. Okay, so choose your artist plan. Let's get started. Select the plan that better suits your artistic needs. Free, so you can get started with the free. Your own independent artist started with the $0. Super easy to get started. Upload up to 50 images. Basic collection of beautiful style templates to use independently. And free domain. Friendly customers. So you are allowed to upload only 15 images in your free plan. So you can get started with the free plan and see whether it works for you. And then if you see that if you're getting any single sale, then you can later on upgrade to upload more images. So their basic plan started with €4.79 per month, up to 25 images, professional website, and you can use your original domain name. And in the previous plan, that is a $0 plan, a free plan, in which you are getting a subdomain, your own domain name .artweb.com, but here you can use your own domain. Then the pro plan is €8.13 per month. You can allow up to 500 images and sell directly from your own online gallery. Use your premium artist website templates. Have your artwork featured on artweb.com. So you are making your own artist website as well, and you are selling your work via this platform as well. Let me explain you what I really mean by that. In the free plan, you are only allowed to upload 15 images, and you can make up your own website using a subdomain, that is your domain .artweb.com. And in that way, you can sell on your website as well, and you can sell on the Artweb marketplace as well. That's pretty amazing. You're getting two opportunities. You're getting highly customizable website as well, where you can sell your work and can bring your own customer. And either way, you can sell your work as a marketplace or Artweb as well. So you don't need to bring your own customer. Artweb will going to bring the customer, and then you can sell your work and can make money. So sell your artwork directly on Artweb. So these are the three amazing ways. And then the plan started from like the basic plan started from €4.79 per month, and then it just increases to 8.13. So this is the website artweb.com. I'm going to leave all the link in description box below, guys. You can check it out. This is a pretty amazing website because you are allowed to sell your work, creating your own artist website. You can get started with a free plan that is allowed you to upload 15 images, and later on, if you see you're making any money, then you can go up with the basic and with the pro plan and can purchase their plan and can get started with that. So you are allowed to open up your artist website and also sell on the Artweb marketplace, and they are taking no commission. So that is pretty amazing. 100% profit. So whatever you're making, you're getting in your bank account. They're not taking any commission in as a middleman. Love it, because in the beginning you can get started with the free. Later on, if you see if you want more images to upload and you are making money, then you can go with the basic and the pro plan. And it's amazing because you're getting your own website as well, because if you are an artist, you need an online portfolio, an online presence, a website, so you can build an artist website as well, and you're selling your work on the web as well. So I think you enjoyed today's video, find it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this website. But thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.